the next one features Miss Roberta Flack and later made popular by Lauryn Hill. I'm sure you can guess, and I really would love you to join in with this one. Thank you. Thanks for joining in. I love that. All right, so this next one is by yours truly. I'm into poetry when the mood strikes. So this one I wrote quite a while back, but I decided to experiment with some minor cello involvement. So this one is Crown of Glory.
Where has my hair gone? Oh, where can it be? It used to be long, now it's all gone. They said it's what made me, me. So now that it's disappeared, who am I? I'd love to know desperately. How can these strands that just come and go be my real crown of glory?
For centuries, we women have been judged by our hair. Not that hair that is anywhere, oh no. As that other hair is quickly removed with some lacerated edged whatever and vanquished to bathroom bins and drains. No, no. It is that crown of glory that defines our worth. It is that tall down our back like Ribamuma-ism that has ruled for centuries. And that's fine. Hair is good. I speak from both sides because I had long hair once. But I knew nothing more than the texture and the length it was, so to me it really meant nothing. But I'd still get, boy, you have good hair. To which I would stutter through a response of, oh, okay, and thank you, and sorry? Because my hair being good is relative. It's not good, it's not bad. It's just hair. And now, my hair is not gone because I needed a change. My hair is not gone because I was trying to make some kind of statement. My hair is gone because it was sick and tired of being admired and twisted and rolled into society's hole of deceit, upset by the pedestal upon which it was placed, lest it touch the ground. It sought release from this increase of admiration for what? It being tall here. So it fell, simply fell into the same bathroom bins occupied both by those other hairs. And finally there was release. Nothing to live up to, no one to please, because it's just no good shot here. And I'm sure it will stay this way for decades to come.
Where has my hair gone? Oh, where can it be? It used to be long, now it's all gone. They said it's what made me, me. So now that it's disappeared, who am I? Allow me to introduce me.
I am joy, I am love, I'm hope, I'm peace, I'm passion and talent. I have found my release. And with God as my witness, I see it in you. He has blessed us with beauty, no matter our hue, or the shape of our lips, or the size of our thighs, the length of our hair, or the color of our eyes. Embrace who you are and know this is true.
Your real crown of glory is inside of you.
I'd like to close out with the wonderful Erica Badu. Again, I'm expecting my choir members to join in. Thank you so much.
Oh my, I'm feeling high. My money's gone, I'm all alone. Too much to see, the world keeps turning. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. Peace and blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge were your worth, then it would be well earned. it feel colder in your summertime or hotter in your fall? If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us. Yeah, they fear us. Oh, on and on and on and on.
Give it up for Emily.
Thank you,
But
Mr. DJ. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great evening.
Emily, what are your handles? Your handles?
Emily the cellist. But there are underscores, there are numbers. I can never remember the order. Just type in Emily the cellist. I should pop up.
I love it, I love it. And give it up again for the Affirmation Band who's supporting our ladies this evening. Again, it's the RCAP family on display, the Queens of Sheba, and the theme, Rock Your Roots, Rep Your Culture. Yes, so up next we have a Spacekat who is gonna rock the stage again. So make some noise for Spacekat as she... Spacekat!
Greetings, everyone. How are we feeling tonight? Lovely, lovely. All right. Me good, me shoulda follow mommy rule. She said no tarry on the road after school. No space, no space. Me good, me shoulda follow mommy rule. She said no tarry on the road after school. She knows space, she knows space. She said no tarry on it. Me mommy never make me suffer. Anything you want, just know me have to offer. She never left we in a gutter. Oh, when I don't plan alone, you still on yam that with butter. Me mommy work for every pardon. Never beg no one no pardon. So every sacrifice what she make for me I take that personally. And when me tell you, mommy grow me good, me should have follow mommy rule. She said not to be on the road after school. She knows space. She said not to be on the road after school. Mommy grow me good, me should have follow mommy rule. She said not to be on the road after school. She knows best, she knows best. Oh, she said no bother follow friend. Tricked by the system, don't be one of them. Higher education, and that she a defend with the meditation. She said we set the trend. She said forget about the boys. Make yourself first choice. Stay humble, use up your voice. Use it for your defense, not just for rejoice. Rebel in a blood in your vein. Cultivate your light so you can maintain. You is a star, you have a brighter purpose. Don't be a clown now when life is a circus. Don't worry about the glitz, cause the glamour will come. Up keep yourself. Don't worry about the glitz, cause the glamour will come. When I catch it, let me hear it now. Mommy grow me good, me shoulda follow mommy rule. She said not to rip on the road after school. She knows best, she knows best. She said not to rip on the road after school. Mommy grow me good, me shoulda follow mommy rule. She said not to rip on the road after school. She knows best, she knows best. Oh God, if I don't love the man, I'm gonna yearn to make some nice. Yeah man, I love my mother. Alright. So my name is Spacekat. Yeah man, make some nice to feel like. Okay, so the next song I'm gonna have for you know, this one is called Time. Because as an empress, we have to take our time. Ace make waste, they say no. And every fruit ripe in its own season. Ready? Take my time. Oh gosh, I need to take my time. Can't get it out of my mind. I need to find my place, what I need. I don't have to chase. Take my time. Little more tempo, man. Don't make me take my time. Can't get it out of my mind. Find my place, what I need, I don't have to chase. Take my time, I know every day the sun gon' shine. So now I know with the sky locking, don't waste no time. Yeah, no worry about the past, it's gone. The future is to come, no need for alarm. So we angle the present from now, we focus. Every distraction and everything go go. So love our right we speak. No watch it tongue, no watch it parts of speech. We might have slow, but we never gonna give up now. What now? I just need to take my time.
platform, okay?
Yes, man, you can find me on all your favorite platforms at Spacekat Music, on Instagram at space._.kat. One more thing as well. So I am an artist, but I'm also an artist. So I paint one-of-a-kind lighters, and I also have them here tonight. So I implore you to come and speak to me for a little bit. Yeah, man, one-of-a-kind lighter art. I'm have some Spacekat merch as well. Thank you.
Listen up, she's a star, a businesswoman, and an artist. To give it up for Spacekat. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man.